Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Today Sampel20 is super proud to present Sopa de Frijoles Negros, or black bean soup with delicious Boston butt. So let's begin. So we're going to start off by putting 1 pound of frijoles negros in a bowl, and we're going to pick out any leaves or broken beans. Next we're going to rinse them with water and then soak them completely in water overnight. So it's the next day, and now we're going to take 1.5 pounds of our Posta de Cerdo, which is also known as pork Boston butt. We're going to cut it into medium-sized chunks and we're going to set it aside. Now to the pressure cooker that we're going to use, we're going to add the beans, the pork, 1.5 to 2 liters of water, 1 full head of garlic, and salt to taste. We're going to place the lid on it and we're going to let it cook for 45 minutes. Once the 45 minutes are up, we're going to turn off the heat and we're going to allow the pressure cooker to cool down completely. This is going to take about 20 minutes. Once this time has passed, then we're going to take off that lid and we're going to turn on the heat again and we're going to continue cooking with the lid off. We're going to scoop out any blood patches that might have formed on the top, as you could see here. Next, we're going to dice up 1 medium-sized onion and 2 green bell peppers. We're going to stir fry this in a pan with a little bit of oil until the onion becomes translucent. So we're going to make some type of sofrito. Once our sofrito is done, we're then going to add it to the beans and we're going to cook this over medium heat for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. If more salt or water is needed, this would be the perfect time to add it. This would also be the perfect time to try the beans to make sure that they're completely cooked and they're also tender. And voila, we have our delicious sopa de frijoles negros con posta de cerdo, or our delicious black bean soup with pork Boston butt. You can serve this with tortillas, with queso, with rice, with avocado, any way you like it, amazing. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe and also follow us on Instagram at san.paul20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye bye.